Hello everyone, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video we're going to be going over two user group rights you can give your users for using the Beam application, the ability to start streaming and the ability to start recording. To start, we'll go into Settings, Users and Groups, and then select the group we'd like to give these rights to, and then scroll all the way down to Rights. Within Rights, all the way at the bottom, you'll find Beam, and when you open up Beam, you'll find two permissions. Start streaming, so the ability to actually stream live to VALT so that somebody can view you within the observation. And start recording, which doesn't necessarily have to involve streaming. It could just store the recording on your phone until you get back on your network and then put it right into the review. Or you can have both, where you can stream and record at the same time. Let's take a look at this within the application. So this user has the ability to both stream and record. So you'll see the red button here. This is for the ability to record. If I hit this, it's going to open up my information template and I can begin my recording. And here's our stream button. Now actually, if we click on this one, because I have stream and record, here you can see that third permission, the ability to just stream, so people can view this live within the observation, or stream and record. So it kind of encompasses both of these at the same time. If I hit this one, not only can people view this within observation, but the recording will end up in our review for later usage. Let's take a look at what would happen if we removed the recording. Now let's go back to Beam. And you'll see that the red recording button is gone, but the streaming button is still here. However, when I click on the stream button, you'll see that it's only the ability to stream, no longer stream and record. So that's how you can give users or take away users' rights for streaming and recording within the Beam application.